Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's good to have you back here again. So if you're a new subscriber and you clicked on this video, thank you so much for coming. We're really glad to have you. My name is Dorothy. I'm a writer's coach and entrepreneurship coach. I love to have you here, and please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside it to get notified when we release our golden content. And as for our returning subscribers, hi guys, you're the real MVPs. Thank you so much. It's good to have you. We value you. We love you. Thank you for always coming back, and would always remember you when this channel finally grows of all your support and efforts to help us go higher. So if you clicked on this video today, it's because you're a freelancer and you're looking to getting your first paying client. That's beautiful, and let's get right into it. Being a freelancer is beautiful and challenging. It gives you the flexibility of working at your time and pace. It gives you the choice of working with whoever pleases you. One other fun thing about being a freelancer is that there is no limit to the amount of money that you can make per time, maybe per week, per hour, per month, per year. So you absolutely determine your net worth, if you know what I mean. Isn't that amazing? Making you feel like a super person. And yeah, that is exactly what comes with being in charge. And that's what freelancing does to you. One thing that people fail to realize is that this freedom could work in their own detriment. People being lazy, when you have no one ordering you around to do this and that at this time or that time. It could pull you way back as a freelancer. And one other challenge that people have, most freelancers have, is the challenge of getting job, challenge of getting hired by clients. And that is why we are here today. So let me start with this. When I started out as a freelancer, after completing all of my training as a creative writer, and I really wanted to start earning money with my skills. I really wanted to start using this skill of mine to put food on my table, to make a living. So what did I do? I started volunteering to some strategic brand and companies. So that is my first tip for you: volunteer. Okay, so guys, listen to me. I'm not asking you to work your boots off for a brand that will not pay you a single penny or that pays you low. This is what I'm trying to say. You need the experience, and you need to give people the assurance that you can do this for them as a freelancer. So when I started out as a freelancer, I simply chose some strategic brands and companies that I know are quite influential and well-to-do, and sent them a proposal, giving them the offer of me working free for them for a period of time. It could be 1 week, yours could be a month, working for free for them. So people are much more interested in what you can give them than what you want them to give you. Well, that's the nature of man. So when you walk up as a freelancer, when you walk up to someone's DM with a message, "Hi, my name is Dorothy, I'm a creative writer and I need a job," it sounds to them as if you just said, "Hi, my name is Dorothy, I need your money." It really pisses them off, and no one loves that, trust me. So now, for you to get your first clients, when you give them value, they eventually have to pay you for the value that you gave them. And trust me, each of the clients that I have done this with have paid me really well and good. And they end up hiring me because I put in my effort to discharge very good services during the free contract. And at the end of it, they end up paying me for what I have done previously, and also hire me for a future engagement, which I eventually, run for them. So as a freelancer, you can volunteer to get the experience that you need and also to give your clients a taste of what you are capable of doing. They love it when you come up to them and tell them, okay, this is what I can do for you, than you telling them, hey, I need your money. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So another thing that you can do is build a badass portfolio. A portfolio is a piece of document that shows your experience and work sample. So the main purpose of having a portfolio is to give your clients the assurance that they need to hire you. Everyone wants an assurance for every investment. No one wants to invest in you if they feel you are not worth it or you're going to be a waste of time. So the assurance that they need can be derived and gotten from your well put together portfolio. I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, hey, Dorothy, I've never gotten a job. I don't have a client and I am with no experience whatsoever. So where on earth do you want me to get this experience that you're talking about if I need to build a portfolio? We're getting right into that. Relax. So at this point, if you're enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. It would help us serve you even better. So back to what we were saying, the second thing that you need to do is build a portfolio. And building this portfolio is not that difficult. You can build one with no experience at all. What you can simply do is create your own personal experience. You move up to your network, you scroll through and you walk up to strategic brand manager of very good, averagely okay, at least averagely okay brands. Tell them you're offering to work for them. Maybe you're a web designer or freelance writer. This is what I do, and you're offering to work for them for free part-time. It could be a one-time project. Perhaps as a freelance writer, you can offer to write a 3-page landing page description for their website. And of course, you only have to tell them. Of course, the only thing that you need to tell them is that, hi, I am Dorothy. Telling them that you are a freelancer and you're looking towards expanding your portfolio by getting more experience, and you're offering to work for them in exchange for their review after you must have completed the project. Bingo, you've gotten the experience that you want. It could be a page of content. It could be for you to set up a retargeting link on their website. I don't really know much about web designing. I hope I'm getting this right. So you could offer to do something free for them that you can do real quick and well. So once you're done, they could even end up hiring you. And even if they don't hire you, you get your review. And trust me, most of these clients take this offer because they have nothing to lose. They have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. And even if it doesn't work out well, they are rest assured that they don't have any commitment to you whatsoever. So it is your job to do the job well and get your own review. So you have a work sample to show and you also have a client review to give. So if you're able to get about 5 or 6 of this kind of review and work sample through volunteering to work for this brand for reviews, it would really help you boost your portfolio, and you can set up a well put together portfolio for your job hunts. So that is one other way to get your client really quick as a freelancer. And if you need help learning how to construct your portfolio or how you can put things down in the right structure to make up a very put together portfolio for your promotion, kindly type it in the comment section and let me know if you really need help with this. I'll be glad to help. I'll put up another video and I could even put up another example of what a very good portfolio must look like. Thank you so much for staying through, for watching. I really love you, and see you next